We are concerned that the words uttered by Honorable Orengo on behalf of the Luo community are total misrepresentations. His outburst has created false impression that the Luo nation does not approve the coming together of President William Ruto and Right Honorable Raila Odinga to form inclusive, broad-based government. Far from the truth. His position has created the impression that the relationship between Raila Odinga in relation to what is signed daytime to cooperate with the present government are wrong. We urge Honorable Orengo to desist from portraying himself as the sole speaker, leader, and a spokesman of the Luo community.
So mine is just to call on His Excellency Orengo that it is high time to really engage in very meaningful conversations with the leaders, taking advantage of opportunities like what we had, said that some of the projects that he was even calling out the government to ensure that they are completed, he can engage separately, differently, and leveraging on the opportunity that His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga has created through the broad-based cooperation.
We want the Luo to be equal partners in Project Kenya. We want the Luo community to be equal partners in Project Kenya. We want us not to be marginalized anymore. And Orengo cannot mislead us at this particular juncture when Raila Odinga and William Ruto and the UDA-ODM agreement is in place, which we want to implement. We want the roads in here to be done. What we want is food for our people. We want the livelihoods, health of our people.
Na sasa tumeamua kama jamii tunafanya kazi na serikali. Tunataka watu wetu washughulikiwe kwa sababu wamebaki nyuma miaka mengi. Tunataka watu wetu washughulikiwe kimaendeleo. Hatutaki siasa potoshi ambayo itafanya tena tuwe na kizungumkuti kama jamii. Kwa hivyo tumekaa leo kama wataalamu, tunasema tunawaunga mkono kwa dhati wataalamu wa ndani, wataalamu kama Mbadi ambao wametoka katika sehemu yetu na wanafanya kazi na broad-based government.
Response as follows: that Honorable Orengo is a governor that is subject to accountability by the citizens and the elected representatives of the people, that is the MCAs of Siaya. He definitely embarrassed the community and the county, and we are demanding from him to apologize. And if he does not apologize, definitely the MCAs are within their rights to hold him to account. They can censure him, and they could even get to the point of introducing an impeachment mission. But that is for them.